Happy on her catnip. You like that catnip? Huh? Happy loves her catnip, doesn't she? Yeah. She loves her catnip. Happy.
I thought you said, what a play. I thought it was a home run or something. It's about to die. All they do is praise it.
Oh, she's playing with her catnip. Yeah, I got her on. She loves it. Do you love it? Do you love it? Hey.
Yeah. Over there playing with her toy.
She's just staring. Look, she's just staring now. You just staring? You're not playing with the catnip anymore. You don't want to play with the catnip anymore. Look at this one. She's still playing with it.